Hi and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial, we will learn about lists in C++. Lists are sequence containers that allow non-contiguous memory allocation. As compared to vectors, lists have slow traversal, but once a position has been found, insertion and deletion are quick. Normally, when we talk about a list, we talk about a doubly linked list. Declaring a list is similar to other containers in C++ like this. We can insert elements at the back and front of the list using the push back and push front function like this. Here I am inserting values in two lists. In one list I am inserting at the back, and in the other list I am inserting at the front. To print the entire list, we use iterators from beginning to end like this. I am using a function to print the entire list. Let's run this code. We can see that the elements can be inserted at both front and back. Just like push front and push back functions, we have pop front and pop back functions to remove elements at the front and back. Let's run this code. We can see that the output is as expected. Here we are using a reverse function to reverse a list, like this. Let's run this code. We can see that the list is reversed. To sort a list, we use the sort function like this. Let's run this code. We can see that the list is getting sorted. To remove an element from the list, we use the remove function and pass the values of the element to be deleted. Like this. Like here, I am deleting 6 from the list. To clear the entire list, we use the clear function. To get the size of the list, we use the size function like this. Let's run this code. We can see that elements are getting deleted accordingly. So this brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comment section.